Unsexy products you need in your life. Hi guys, and welcome back to my... Make sure there's no lipstick in my Vaseline. I've tried to film this video, I kid you not, 3 times. If you're new here, hi, my name is Janelle. I'm back to filming new videos every single week, but I am posting on shorts daily. Anyways, I wanted to share unsexy products that you need in your life, that they just elevate your whole aesthetic, make you look clean, polished, put together, have you smelling good, feeling nice. So I saw Laura Lee, I think, post either a TikTok or a YouTube video on this, and it inspired me to do it. So that's what we're doing today. The first product I want to talk about, I'm beyond late to. I'm so glad I discovered this going into summer. This Nair body cream hair remover. I'm like so mad that I literally just discovered this. My hair on my body grows back so fast. It's shave in the morning and literally by the afternoon I have hair again. But with this product, I no longer need to shave like 24/7. Not only that, it keeps my hair away for longer, and then I find when the hair goes back, it's thinner. I use this on my legs. I've tried it on my armpits. My armpits are a little too sensitive for it. But you can also use this on your bikini area. And I tried Nair like a while ago, and I remember the smell being so horrible. I was like, I will never use this product again. But this one doesn't have as terrible of a smell to it. 10 out of 10 recommend, especially the summertime if you hate shaving. Like, I was even looking into laser hair removal. I'm not gonna spend a down payment on a car just to remove hair from my body. This was a great alternative for me. Okay, another summertime product, Lumi Full Body Deodorant. I've talked about this before. My goodness, especially on these hot, humid summer days, this, you won't have to worry about stench coming out from your body. I'll put this in my underarms. I'll put it like in between my elbows, pretty much anywhere where there's crevices, anywhere where like sweat can build up. This will ensure no odor is being emitted from your body. And it works. My previous trips to Florida, I was realizing that like middle of the day, I would just start smelling because it's so hot and humid there. And then finally, I just purchased a travel size of this while I was there. And I was like, oh my gosh, like I don't have to worry about sweating and just being a hot, smelly mess whenever I'm in Florida. So if you have that same issue, if you're a smelly girl that doesn't want to be smelly, that wants to be clean, fresh, and put together all the time, I'm telling you, this helps a bunch. Ooh, another unsexy product that you need in your life, any sort of whitening treatment, I find just makes such a difference. I drink a ton of black coffee. Even with my Invisalign, like sometimes I drink things with my trays in that I know I shouldn't be, but it's just annoying taking them in and out. And with that, I'll get a lot of staining on my teeth. So I normally use the Crest 3D white strips, which I love. And then occasionally I'll use this Colgate Optic White whitening pen, and I'll just put it on my teeth, go to sleep with it, wake up, and then it's just helping remove those like stains and all of that. Again, like when you think of teeth, it's like flossing and all that may not be the sexiest thing, but it's so important because your smile is probably like the most beautiful thing on your face. So you want to make sure you are doing all those unsexy things to take care of it and preserve and give yourself a beautiful smile. Let's see, what else do we have in here? Ooh, Lumify eye drops. These are amazing. These literally will complete a makeup look, and they're not even a makeup product. Instantly, I'm gonna show you, especially during allergy season. I can't talk and do this at the same time, hold on. But anyways, especially during allergy season, this time of year, my eyes will be like yellow or red. And it's just not cute, but whenever I use this, it instantly just brightens up my eyes. It makes the whites of my eyes so bright, and it opens it up without even needing to use any makeup. But then if you are doing like a full glam look and you use this, it just like enhances your eyes even more. It's one of those products that you don't realize you need, and then once you start using them, you're like, that makes such a difference. And it's like a subtle little confidence boost, because I feel like the eyes are the focal point of your face. So using something like this just gives you like a subtle confidence boost where you just feel so much more prettier and just like bright-eyed. Just beautiful. You need oils for everything. First off, I want to talk about cuticle oil, because this is a very unsexy product for the purpose that I'm saying to use it for. I want you to start using cuticle oil daily, not only on your nails, but on your toes. Don't be wearing flip-flops this summer with dry, crusty toes. I mean, you can if you want, but it's not the cutest. Just put this on your toes, take care of them. If you're getting a pedicure, you want it to like last and you want it to look good. It will make you look polished and put together literally head to toe. I get this one from Amazon. It's a game changer. I noticed that when I wasn't doing it regularly, I would just get like those little like dry little things around your toenails, and it's not cute, but just using this regularly changes that. I used to be really good at putting oil in the ends of my hair every single day, and then I kind of like fell off of it, and I got back onto it because I was like, what am I doing? Like, Why am I not properly taking care of the ends of my hair? I shouldn't have to be going back for trims constantly, because if you're taking care and oiling your ends, you won't need to keep chopping off like 6 inches of your hair, you know? So I got this little travel container from Walmart, and in here I have olive oil, castor oil, and rosemary oil. I'll use it in the ends of my hair. I'll also use it as like a scalp treatment to help like keep my scalp nice and full and healthy so that my hair isn't just like falling out constantly. And you oil your ends every single day, and then also make sure to like work this in your scalp at least once a week, maybe once every 2 weeks. It's a game changer. Ooh, and then also baby oil. People spend so much money on like those Tom Ford shimmery body oils from Sephora. Why do that when you can get this body oil for $8? Nothing will give your skin more of like a beautiful glistening glow than some good old baby oil, especially if you put this on top of your skin after you lotion it. It will just help lock in all of that moisture, give you that glow, help whatever fragrances you're using last so much longer. And you don't need to sell a kidney to find a good oil. Just get some baby oils. Remember when I was talking about oiling your toes, using cuticle oil on your toes? Well, along with that, Vaseline. This will literally make you feel like you left the nail salon every single day. So what I love to do is I'll do cuticle oil on my toes, put lotion on my feet, and then I'll take a good scoop of this and lather it all over my foot. Put a sock on, go to sleep. When you wake up, your feet are gonna be baby smooth. The dynamic duo, if you wanna be wearing sandals and flip-flops and all that this summer, and you don't wanna have to get a pedicure like literally every week, this will keep your feet and your heels super soft. You could also use this like on your elbows or really dry areas on your body that you just want to like lock in the moisture. Do not sleep on this. Ooh, I also noticed how like dry my hands were getting. So I started to use a hand cream at night, and then I would put a little bit of this over top of it to just lock in that moisture and keep my hands nice and pretty and hydrated and not crusty and dusty. And all right, this product I'm gonna share with you, I don't know if I should because it's a family secret, and that is hemorrhoid cream, but for your face. Try it at your own risk. All I'm gonna say is that growing up, my mom would use this. Her skin was always flawless. Like even now, she has beautiful skin. Nice and preserved. People think we're sisters. On days where like this area of my face is just feeling like dull or just like droopy, I'll put this on and it just like tightens your skin. Now I will say this is an ointment, so I can't use it regularly or I will get like tiny little bumps. On those days where I just need a little bit of a boost, I'm not a scientist. I can't like try at your own risk. Don't take my word for it, but I'm just saying when I need the boost and I need the tightness, this comes through. Oh wait, there's one more product. Also for your hair, rice water spray. I've talked about rice water spray so many times on my channel, but I have to harp on it again because every time I stop using it and I use it again, it just makes such a difference. I basically spray this on like the perimeter of my hair and the root of my hair, on the ends of my hair. And what this does is it helps keep your hair nice and strong. And I find it also helps with any hair thinning around here. It helps that hair like stay nice and full. Literally just soak rice in water, put it in your fridge overnight, and then you pour that water into the spray bottle, spray it in your hair, and boom, you got some rice water spray. This is like one of the best hair products. And it's so easy to make and obviously so affordable because it's literally just rice. Guys, that wraps it up for this video. Let me know what you guys want to see next. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Comment what some of your unsexy products that are a necessity in your life down below. I love you guys and I'll see you next time. Oh yeah, and if you want to see more content, consider subscribing.